66 million years ago, on a perfectly normal Tuesday afternoon, a Tyrannosaurus rex hunts in the lush undergrowth. Then, without warning, a blinding white flash instantly erases the landscape. For roughly 165 million years, dinosaurs dominated a warm, globally forested Earth. That continuous chain of life stretched unbroken across millions of generations. Weeks before that flash, a tiny new star appeared in the night sky. Slowly, it grew brighter and larger, eventually looking like a second, smaller moon. This object is an asteroid larger than Mount Everest. Entering the atmosphere at almost 60 times the speed of sound, it reaches from the ocean's surface to an altitude higher than where modern passenger planes fly. It takes just 2 seconds to pierce the thin layer between space and the ground, slamming directly into the shallow ocean and bedrock near the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. The sheer physical mass of the rock, combined with that extreme velocity, meant the long, stable reign of the dinosaurs was mathematically guaranteed to be deleted in a fraction of a second. As the asteroid strikes, it instantly vaporizes. The kinetic energy released in that single microsecond is equal to the simultaneous detonation of billions of nuclear weapons. The impact's force strips the solid bedrock of all structural integrity, making it flow outward like liquid to carve a massive 100-kilometer-wide crater. Almost immediately, the liquefied center rebounds upward, forming a temporary mountain stretching 10 kilometers into the sky. Simultaneously, the immense heat melts the surrounding rock into seething plasma, a superheated, electrically charged gas. A flash of thermal radiation travels outward at the speed of light, instantly incinerating every plant and animal within a 1,500-kilometer radius. The explosion crashes against the atmosphere, generating a shockwave that exceeds 1,000 kilometers per hour. In Middle America, this hyper-hurricane shreds the topsoil, vegetation, and wildlife into pieces, throwing the scattered debris thousands of kilometers away. The strike triggers a magnitude 11 earthquake. The seismic waves are so intense that on the exact opposite side of the planet, in India, they shake massive lava fields, triggering volcanic eruptions that coat half the subcontinent in fresh lava for the next 30,000 years. A single piece of rock shattered the earth, air, and water all at once. The kinetic energy perfectly converted into a multi-medium weapon, ensuring that no region on Earth could escape the initial violence. The impact blasts an incredible volume of material straight up into space. Totaling roughly 60 times the mass of the original asteroid, this vast cloud of molten rock and debris enters a temporary orbit around the Earth. Back on the surface, the displaced ocean waters rush back toward the collapsing crater. This creates an expanding ring of tsunamis towering 1 kilometer high, completely drowning thousands of kilometers of surrounding continental coastlines. But the worst threat comes from above. As those millions of tons of ejected bedrock fall back through the atmosphere at extreme speeds, the sheer friction generates massive amounts of heat simultaneously across the entire globe. This descending material rapidly roasts the air. For several terrifying minutes, the sudden thermal shock turns the Earth's entire atmosphere as hot as the inside of an industrial oven. The raining, superheated debris, combined with the scorching air, instantly ignites dry material on the forest floors. This sparks massive wildfires that spread rapidly, burning across the globe for months. Any creatures that managed to survive the initial blast, the earthquakes, and the towering tsunamis found themselves trapped. The secondary thermal shock weaponized the air itself, turning the atmosphere into an inescapable global threat. As the global firestorms burn, they send immense plumes of soot up to join the vaporized rock and aerosols, tiny suspended particles, already trapped in the upper atmosphere. Together, they form a thick blockade that completely chokes out the sun. Without sunlight, global temperatures crash by as much as 25 degrees Celsius in a matter of days. The planet plunges into a sudden, desolate global winter that will last for decades. This chart shows the interconnected marine food web. With the sun blocked, global photosynthesis completely halts. This causes the bottom tier, the marine plankton, to collapse by over 90%. This triggers an immediate cascade failure that starves out the higher tiers of large marine reptiles and ammonites, which are shelled marine mollusks. Between the initial blast, the searing heat, and the freezing darkness, the biological toll is absolute. At least 75% of all species on Earth are completely and suddenly erased from existence. The asteroid systematically dismantled the core energy cycle of the planet. By severing the link between sunlight, plants, and apex predators, it collapsed the biological engine that had sustained the world for 165 million years. Eventually, the skies cleared. Emerging into this desolate landscape were the few adaptable survivors, the direct avian descendants of the dinosaurs, which we know as birds, and small early mammals. The absolute deletion of the established dinosaur empire emptied out the top of the food chain. This created the massive ecological vacuum necessary for those surviving mammals to expand, evolve, and eventually become the dominant animals on the planet. This chart shows a comparative timeline of Earth's dominant species. The vast bar represents the 165 million year continuous reign of the dinosaurs, contrasting sharply with the microscopic 0.1% sliver at the very end that accounts for the entire history of modern humans. There is a critical difference between these two eras. While the dinosaurs could only stare blankly at a deadly new star, humanity has developed the technological capacity to observe deep space, split the atom, and actively defend our planet. Our existence is the direct result of a chaotic cosmic impact that fractured Earth's history, but our continued survival is entirely dependent on our own conscious vigilance, ensuring that our fragile continuity isn't suddenly deleted in a fraction of a second.